In Java, the squirt function from the math class takes the square root of a number. First things first, if you do something like square root of the integer 4, instead of returning 2, it returns 2.0. Meaning, if you want the result to be an integer, you must cast it to be as such. You can do this as simply as putting the type you want to cast the value to in parentheses next to it, like I've done here. Now for some special cases. If you pass a negative value into squirt, the function will return nan, or not a number. If you pass in positive infinity, squirt will return positive infinity. Finally, if you are familiar with math class, you'll remember that the answer to many square root problems is an irrational number, a decimal that goes on forever without repeating. Since computers don't have infinite memory, Java has to approximate those values. Simply speaking, Java stores those results in a double, which uses 64 bits of memory. This limits the precision of the number, and Java rounds the result to fit within those 64 bits. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.